Hi students, in this video we see that how we write the informal letters. There are two types of letters, formal and informal. Formal letters is usually written for official reasons and informal letter is written to our friends or relatives, and today we see the format of informal letters. And here is the format of the letter. That first step is address of the writer. The first line is रिलेटेड टू एड्रेस ऑफ द राइटर, जो सेंडर है, जो राइटर है, उसका एड्रेस आएगा. एंड सेकंड स्टेप इज डेट, एंड द फॉर्मेट ऑफ डेट इज DDMMY, मीन्स फर्स्ट डेट, देन मंथ एंड देन ईयर. Third step is salutation, means greetings, and now come the actual part of the letter, that main part, body of the letter. And the body of the letter contains three topics. First one, introduction, second, main content, and third, conclusion. It is the ending of the letter. And at the last step is yours lovingly and the writer's name. Last step also contains subscription including writer's name. So this is the format of letter. I hope you got it very well, and you have to learn this format. And now we go for one example of letter. And this is the example of one letter, informal letter. This letter is given in your textbook, page number 72. And this is the first part of the letter, that contains writer's address. Here is the address given to you: Krishna Boys Hostel, Model Public School, and Kolkata. This is the address. And the date is, after that it is the date, and the date format is DDMMYY, 10th July 2000. So this is the first and second part of the letter. And now we go for the third part, and this is the third part of the letter, that greeting, means salutation, and it contains here my dear माँ. यहाँ पे डियर और उसके बाद जिसको भी आप लेटर लिख रहे हो उसका सैल्यूटेशन आएगा, जैसे माँ या फिर डियर फ्रेंड, इस तरह से. एंड now we go for the main part of the letter. It is called body of the letter, and first para is for introduction. This is my first letter after the summer vacations. We started our classes the day after we reached the hostel. I have settled in well. This is the introduction about the writer, that what is the condition of the writer. So this is introduction, and now it comes the main content of the letter, that why we write the letter. This is the main subject of the letter, and it is called main body of the letter. We have a new teacher for clay modeling and pottery. She tells us how to make fruits and vegetables with clay. We then paint them. They look so real. This is the main part of the main content, that what we say to other, यानी what we want to say in the letter. हम क्या बताना चाहते हैं, हमने क्यों लेटर लिखा है, उसका मेन सब्जेक्ट यहाँ पे आएगा, कि उसने यहाँ पे लेटर क्यों लिखा गया है. उनके टीचर के बारे में बताते हैं राइटर की, जो मेरे जो न्यू टीचर है वो क्ले मॉडलिंग और पोटरी के लिए न्यू टीचर है, और वो हमें फ्रूट्स और वेजिटेबल्स सिखाते हैं क्ले से बनाना, और हम उसको पेंट भी करते हैं, और वो एकदम रियल के जैसे लगते हैं. सो दिस इज़ द मेन पार्ट, main step of the letter. And now we go for the ending of the letter, and this is the second para of body of the letter, that we have an inter-house poetry recitation coming up in August. I am really excited about it. It is a long poem, but we learn it together with our teacher. Next thing, the writer want to say that we have हमारी स्कूल में एक इंटर हाउस पोइट्री रेसिटेशन है, तो उसमें हम पार्ट करेंगे, और इन द अगस्त मंथ में है. एंड आई एम रियली एक्साइटेड अबाउट इट. जो राइटर है वो बहुत एक्साइटेड है एंड इट इज़ अ लॉन्ग पोएम। जो रिसाइट करनी है वो पोएम बहुत लॉन्ग है, बट वी लर्न टुगेदर विथ आवर टीचर। हम टीचर के साथ अच्छे से लर्न करते हैं। सो this is the second para of the main content of the letter, and now we go for the first ending, the first paragraph of ending. And it is nice to be back in school with my friends and teachers. I remember you and Baba a lot. Give my love to grandmother and grandfather. This is the first ending that it is nice to be back in school, यानी मैं स्कूल में वापस आया हूँ तो मुझे अच्छा लग रहा है मेरे फ्रेंड्स और टीचर्स के साथ। एंड आई रिमेंबर यू एंड बाबा, मीन्स ये जो लेटर है वो मम्मी को लिखा गया है। तो राइटर बताते हैं कि मैं तुमको और बाबा को बहुत मिस करता हूँ। एंड गिव माई लव टू ग्रैंड मदर एंड ग्रैंड फादर, यानी मेरे दादा और दादी को भी मेरा प्यार देना। तो इस तरह से दिस इज़ द ending, first ending of the letter, and now we go for conclusion. And this is the closing of the letter, the last step of the letter, that do write back soon. It is the ending 2, ending 1 हमने देखा, ending 1 का पेरा हमने फर्स्ट प्रीवियस पिक्चर में देखा। एंड दिस इज़ द सेकेंड एंडिंग, दैट डू राइट बैक सून, यानी जल्दी मुझे वापस आप लेटर लिखना। And this is the closing of letter, that it is also contains a subscription that your loving son, and the name of the writer is Pratap. So this is the example of letter, and it is given in your textbook page number 72. You have to read this letter very well, and in the next video we will see one more example of informal letter. Thank you.